I've got Nadia and Belle here, and in this lesson we're going to look at lunging using the tracking method. So to start with Nadia, you want to back Belle up about 2 to 3 minutes to create some space. Backing her up. So there's 2 skills that you'll need to be able to do before, or 3 things before you'll be able to lunge a horse, which is backing your horse up using rhythmic pressure down the lead rope. The other one is yielding your horse's hind quarter, so that way you can stop your horse. And then the third skill is to be able to desensitize your horse to your stick and your string, or the flag that you're using, so your horse is confident knowing that that's a communication tool. Each time we do the hind quarter, you'll get more coordinated. So you got that stepping forward that time, which was really good. So now you just have to follow through. Even, you're an imaginary hula hoop when you're lunging her, but when you yield the hind quarters, you can step out of that hula hoop if you need to, just to get them to cross over. And try moving the hind quarters away to face up. That's it, okay. Slide and crouch, get the hind quarter. Yes, excellent. It was important for Nadia to do that 3 times, so getting it right on that one side to get the coordination of grabbing your rope behind, sliding, lifting, and the lifting is to support the forward motion, to say, we're not going forward, we're yielding the hind quarter. When you go overarm with the stick, you're creating forward, and when she comes into your space with her shoulder or her ribs, your underarm with your stick to create some space between you. Then you're ready to bring them in, or you're ready just to stand and relax, or you're ready to go the other way.